The Ratchet Church on the Hill Valentine's Day edition.
My name is Miss Big Bird. Here we will ask each of our castmates what the definition of love is. Stay tuned as we interview each of our castmates and get their definition of love. Please enjoy our special Valentine's Day edition of the Ratchet Church on the Hill. Thank you, baby.
Pastor Ratchet, what is love?
Love is God. God is love. Love, He sent it down when it came from heaven, and He sent down His Son Jesus. And love was what Jesus did on the cross at Calvary Mountain.
Miss Big Bertha, what is love? Davon, what is love?
Love is caring, sharing, commitment, accountability, responsibility. Love is looking past a person's flaws. Love is growing old together. Love is endless.
Deborah, what is love?
What is love? What is love? The hell if I know. I don't know what love is. Oh, wait a minute. Love is when the man come over and he been doing you so wrong and just getting on your last nerve, and you still want to make me feel good with him, even though he ain't gave you no money for the light bill, but he the only one that use up all the lights all the time, and he eat up all your syrup, and just want to play video games all day, and you still want to make me feel good with him. That is love.
Principal Pope, what is love?
Welcome, teachers, parents, and students, to our 17th annual Rome High School BDA charity event.
Judge can't get right, what is love?
What is love, you say? Love, L, is for lollipops. O is for oranges. V is for victory over the elephants. E is for everybody getting on my damn nerves every day, all day, 24/7, 365, 7 days a week.
Pastor Ratchet?
There is no love like the love of God. You hear me well? There is no love like the love of God. On the third day morning, he got up. Look at your neighbor and say, got up, and rose. He rose with all power. Hey, with all power in his hand. Thank you, Lord.
Miss Big Bertha, are you there?
I'm here. Wait a minute. Yeah, I hear you. Hold the line, baby. Hold the line. Hold the line, baby. Hold the line. Hold the line. Somebody talking to me. Who is that? Oh, hello? This is Bertha. Yes, Jesus left me. Yes, Jesus left me. Yes, Jesus left me. For the scripture told me so.
Miss Deborah?
That's right, Captain. Yo, no good bastard. You ain't never did nothing. Always playing on my cap. I gotta ask you to do everything. Use up all my electricity, eating up all my cereal. Yo, no good bastard. I don't even know why I was with you. Wasting my life's minutes being with you. With your no good self stinking, no good stuff. And I can't believe you tried to hurt me and do what you did to me. Gonna try to cheat on me with my best friend. You best believe I went and got a DNA test and found out about that little side baby you had too. Can't believe you got the nerve to have a side baby on me after everything I done did for you. You hear that, Calvin? Yeah, I'm talking to you, Calvin. I'll spell your name. Calvin. Calvin. You got that, Calvin?
Yes, Davon, continue.
Love is being happy for no reason. Love is being there for one another. Love is sticking through the good and bad times, the ups and the downs. Love is support. Love is amazing.
Principal Pope, this is an interview and not a charity event.
Now I'm sure we are all excited to begin. But first, our school anthem led by Vice Principal Bruno.
Our interviews took an unfortunate turn.
I won't be turkey. I won't be turkey. Yes, I had to take my high blood pressure pill, my cholesterol pill, my vitamin pill, my pills to help me wake up in the morning, my pills to help me go to sleep at night, my pills to help me go to the bathroom, my pills to help me get out the bathroom, my pills to go to the stove, my pills to come back from the stove. Do you love him? Yes. I said yes. I love him. Yes. Because he first loved me. Tell the Lord thank you. Tell him thank you. Tell him thank you. Oh, glory. Oh, glory. Oh, glory. I know where you live, Calvin. You best believe I know where you live, Calvin. And I'm looking for you. That's right, I'm looking for you. Just heading over. You best believe just heading over, Calvin. I'm coming. I'm coming to your doorstep, doorstep, doorstep. Coming to your doorstep, doorstep. Ooh, doorstep, doorstep.
Love
is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast. Love is everlasting. Love is two people becoming one. Love is forever. Love is a beautiful thing. I'm gonna tell Jesus, he'll make you leave me alone. I said I'm gonna tell Jesus, he'll make you leave me alone. Daddy, I still want my beef jerky.
As you can see, everyone has their own definition of what love is. True enough, some may not have one at all. But if you don't take away anything else from our cast, know that love is a great and wonderful thing to have in your life. Cherish it, give it, and allow it to bring you happiness, peace and joy. This is Miss Green signing off, wishing you all a happy Valentine's Day.